Hey there mga my loves, Pisces! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ang reading ninyo, reminders na hindi ito para sa lahat, kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre wala tayong gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT cross watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tinan na natin dito, Pisces, ano ba ang mga mensahe nakaka-love for you? Guys, so Spirit Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Messages for Pisces, please. Pisces, please. This is for Pisces. Messages for Pisces. Okay, so let's see Pisces, ano ba mga mensahe for you, guys. Okay. So we have here the 8 of Coins energy. So it looks like busy kayo ngayon mga babes, no? Pinagkakabalahan kayo. Pwede may kinalaman yan sa financial stability. Yung iba, no, literal na nag-aasikaso dito ng mga documents, no? Or baka nag-organize kayo ng table ninyo, naglilinis kayo ng desk ninyo, baka office workplace environment yan, or baka naman yung iba, no, check nyo yung inventory ng inyong mga products. Mabusisi, no, nakafocus kayo, detailed kayo dito sa ginagawa ninyo. So I can see that it has something to do with your money, coins and pentacles, stability. It is pwedeng your focus in saving money right here as well, or this is yun, no, na meron kayo ngayong pinagkakaabalahan, pwedeng bagong interest, bagong game, bagong laro, no, bago dito na parang bagong tinatry na activities yan, pwede rin yan. So let's see. Oh, so yeah, you're so passionate right here. Kaya pala nakafocus ka ng bongga na meron ka ditong gustong ma-achieve. Pwedeng inaaral mo yan, yung bagong activity na yan or bagong interest na yan. No? Kasi nga, meron ka dyang parang nakokonect mo yung sarili mo. No? So, pwedeng kunwari, example, no? Nag-aaral ka mag-drawing ngayon or nag-aaral ka mag-painting, no? Gustong-gusto mong matuto dyan, no? Kaya napaka-passionate mo dito. A lot of confidence is coming from you na parang kaya ko to, madodrawing ko ito. Yan, no? At yung iba, pwede kasing gusto ninyo kasi with touch of uniqueness or originality, no? So parang gusto ninyo, kunwari example, baka kaya nyo gustong mag-aral ng painting kasi pwedeng gusto ninyo i-paint, no, at iregalo yan, no, sa friend nyo, sa family member ninyo, or someone close to you, or baka sa loved one ninyo, yan, no, sinikita natin dito yon. So, pwede rin naman mga babes, no, na super passionate kayo ngayon, no, kung nag-iipon kayo ng something, it has something to do with stability naman, money and coins, no, nakikita ko rito, nagpo-focus ka dyan, kasi mas focus ka dun sa larger na plano. Ano ba yun? No, yung parang, ano ba yung gusto mong gawin dyan sa may ipon mong money? Ano ba yung ipapatayo mo dyan sa money mo na yan? No? Or dyan sa pentacles or coins mo na yan? No? Meron kang malaking plano, kaya ka nagpo-focus dyan. And, with this Queen of Wands energy, wala tayong gender dito mga babes, no? This is you na go-getter ka. No? So, sisiguraduhin mo talaga na makuha yan. Yung iba, pwedeng love life yan. Nakafocus ka ngayon sa tao na yan, no? Ibinibigay mo ngayon yung best mo, no, para ligawan, suyuin, or iparating sa kanya yung feelings and emotions mo. Yan, no? See, kasi nga, with the Wheel of Fortune right here, you want some kind of changes right here, Pisces. Gusto mo dito ng pagbabago, kaya pinagbubuhusan mo yan ng panahon. Pag-i-effortan ko to, one time, big time. Yan, no? Kasi alam ko may aanihin ako dito eh. See? If it is a love commitment right here and you're showing this person here that your intentions are pure, na talagang malinis ang intention mo sa kanya, na mahal mo talaga siya, totoo yun, no? Lahat ng mga sinasabi mo sa kanya, willing ka to pa rin. Lahat ng mga ipinangako mo sa kanya, willing ka rin, mga babes, na panindigan. Yeah. Okay? So, kung yan naman ay trabaho, no, at nag-iipon ka dito ng bongga kasi gusto mo dito makapagpatayo ng malaking bahay or ma-expand yung business mo na yan, no, nakikita ko rito na in order for you to do that, lahat yun, okay, pwedeng lahat ng areas na yan, no, na pinagpupukusan mo kasi meron ka ritong malaking plano sa likod niyan, nakikita ko rito na alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi yan magbubunga ng outcome na ina-expect mo kung hindi ka kikilos. At ang maganda sa'yo, lumalabas ka bilang Queen of Wands kasi ibig sabihin lumalabas dito yung pagiging creative mo. Yung passion mo, nilalabas mo dyan. Lahat ng ginagawa mo rito, pinapakitaan mo rito, no, na parang meron niyang touch of creativeness, touch of sarili mong concept, no? And ikaw to na hindi ka titigil hanggat hindi mo na-achieve yan. Kasi meron kang goal eh. Gusto mong ma-target yun. Gusto mong makuha yung outcome na yun. At gusto mo more. Okay? Gusto mo yung mas more pa dun sa ina-expect mo. Well, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Kaya dito ka nagbubuhos ng panahon at attention mo. Okay? Dito, sa bagay na sobra-sobra mong pinaglalaanan ng panahon. Yeah, kasi maaring dyan ka na mapapansin ng boss mo or ng company ninyo, or baka dahil dyan, baka mas mapansin niya ng mas maraming consumer, mas maraming customers, mas maraming buyers, no? So, kung ano man yan, nakikita ko rito na magtatagumpay ka dyan kasi talagang ginagawan mo rito ng pagbabago at eto na nga, umiikot na yung gulong ng kapalaran for you Pisces, no? Magkakaroon ng pagbabago dyan. Yan, no? So, let's see. Oh, so it has something to do with your designation with that work. Hierophant, no? Iyan ay pag-angat mga babes no, ng designation mo, position mo sa trabaho. This is high honor. So this is you, no, moving to the next step or to the next level of your work, promotion, recognition, being credited right here for your job well done. So kaya ka nagpupursige, it's coming. Okay, mangyayari yon mga babes, no? And if it has something to do with your commitment with that person, if nililigawan mo siya or pinapakita mo sa kanya, no, na talagang seryoso ka sa kanya, wala tayong gender dito, it is a relationship and it could lead to commitment. Yan, no? Relationship is different from commitment because commitment, I can see that this person will commit to you. Yan, no? In a heart space level. There's love and there could possibly be unconditional love na pwedeng ma-develop sa inyong dalawa. Yan, no? And if that is naman has something to do with your business, mga plano mo, na properties, and all of those things, it has something to do with leveling up, increase of your finances right here, and everything here is talagang naka-align sa gusto mong maging outcome at mas maganda pa nga. Tuloy-tuloy lang dito, Pisces. Nakikita ko dito. See? Transformation. Death here is transformation. And look at that. You have here the 3 major arcanas, which means the universe is helping you out in what it is that you're creating or you want to happen in your reality because nakikita nilang nagpupursige ka at ginagawa mo ang lahat ng makakaya mo para yan ay makuha mo dahil masipag ka, Pisces. Nasa tabi mo kami yan, no? Ito mga kandila na to ay simbolo ng pag-asa, no? At alam mo, no, lagi kong ginagamit to, no? Kasi dito parang madilim, 'di ba? Parang brown out dito. Pero tuloy pa rin ang focus. So, ibig sabihin, no, kahit na ilang beses ka na rin nadapa, ilang beses ka na rin mga babes, no, na nasugatan dito, tuloy pa rin, no, at hindi kita nakikitang nagkikwit. And the universe noticed that because you're hardworking, Pisces, nasa tabi mo kami, tutulungan ka namin. Yan, no? See? You have this kind of hope right here na hindi ako susuko, mapagod man, pwede magpahinga, pero never akong susuko dito sa bagay na sobrang gustong gusto ko. So, tuloy-tuloy lang, Pisces, no? Ang ganda ng energy mo dito, mahal. Yeah! Look at that! If that is love, you're attracting here someone that is the same as your energy. We have here the King and the Queen of Wands energy. Parehas kayo dito na energy. Parehas kayong goal-getter and go-getter sa inyong mga dreams and goals in life. At pagdating dito sa relationship, a lot of passion, a lot of intimacy. I'm hearing intimacy. Yeah, and this is a very, very strong couple right here. Like, pag nagtayo kayo rito mga babes, no, ng business, empire talaga. No, nakikita ko rito na kayong dalawa is magtatagumpay, no, sa larangan na rito ng business at kaperahan rin. Yan, no? So, Antara, and this person will be so attracted to you. Why? Because, see, this is your divine counterpart. Okay? There's a strong connection that's gonna happen between you guys, and it's unexplainable at first. Others of you, this person is already in your life, and you're seeing that as, and you're seeing that person as your partner, at lumalabas nga siya rito, no, na perfect match kayo because you are the king and the queen of wands, or yung iba ba kaya na nga yung taong tinitingnan, nililigawan, or parang pinaparatingan ninyo ng emotions and feelings nyo ngayon. So, tuloy-tuloy lang kasi, umiikot to, yung gulong ng tadhana for you guys. Ano man to, trabaho, love, no, pera, at kung ano man yan na ginagawa ninyo, pinagpupukusan nyo dyan, outcome is coming, at darating yun sa inyo, higit pa sa ine-expect ninyo, because Hierophant is leveling up, transformation is happening, Wheel of Fortune starts make ikot right here, no, to bring all of this into your reality. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang dito, Pisces. Okay, and we have here the 5 of Coins energy right here, 9 of Swords. Ooh, someone's rushing in. Hindi siya si Panday kahit tinaas niya yun, no? Ang espada na yan. So, someone here is coming towards you, okay? Sasabihin ni Miss yan, ex yan, no? Hindi, huwag kayong ano dyan. Meron dito, mga babes, no, na merong problema sa money. Nalapit siya sa inyo, and this person will come rushing in into you, okay? This person could be a single mom or a single dad right here, okay? Asking for your help when it comes to finances. Yan. So, maybe this is a side message right here. Someone who's coming towards you, and maybe this person here, pwedeng hindi siya single mom or single dad, pero lalapit siya tihingi ng tulong na may kinalaman sa pera. See? This person is problematic right now, okay? Or problematic kapag lumapit siya sa'yo. At ang problema niya has something to do with money. Yeah. So, whoever this individual is, I think this is someone here in your area or in your orbit. Could be a relative, could be a friend right here, could be a co-worker, colleague, okay? Yan yung iba, no, very specific, no, parang kasambahay ninyo yan. Okay, so whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates, Pisces. You've got all in here. Continue doing the hard work because it's gonna all pay off. Yeah, very, very soon, sweetheart. So, thank you so much, Pisces. Sarang ngayon, love and life. Annyeong!